He who the cap fits should wear it. It is a new dawn at Uwani, Amokwe, Udla government area of Enugu State, where His Royal Highness Igwe Dr. Mike Uzoigwe was coronated on 4th January 2023, which started with Catholic Holy Mass at Southwest Field, Uwani, Amokwe. So many clergies, dignitaries, friends and well-wishers from far and near attended the coronation service. During the sermon, the Reverend Father said that he knew Engineer Uzoigwe as a straightforward human being who will lift Uwani Amokwe to the higher level they don't even expect to be in few years' time. Engineer Uzoigwe was chosen by his people, Uwani Amokwe, due to his diligent and selfless service during his time of civil service. After the Holy Mass, His Royal Highness Igwe Dr. Mike Uzoigwe went back to his palace and prepared well to be installed and coronated as Igwe Chukwunenyeze II of Uwani Amokwe, as their custom and tradition demanded by the eldest man in Uwani Amokwe. Thereafter, the eldest man in Uwani Amokwe installed his wife as Lord Igwe Chukwunenyeze II of Uwani Amokwe, that makes Igwe Mike Uzoigwe to be complete as His Royal Highness Igwe Dr. Michael Uzoigwe. Later, he went round to greet his people.
Of Uwani Amokwe Autonomous Community.
After relaxing on his throne for some minutes, Igwe Mike Uzoigwe stepped out to read his presentation address as Igwe Chukwunenyeze II of Uwani Amokwe for the first time.
The address at the Coronation. The address in the booklet, and I will speak. The address at the Coronation. The address in the booklet.
Among other influencers. Thank you very much, and you're welcome in this coronation program. Thank you so much.
After the presidential address, he installed Ikenga, the traditional prime minister of Uwani Amokwe, as his first assignment in Uwani Amokwe as Igwe Chukwunenyeze II of Uwani Amokwe. Thereafter, he gave his beloved mother a chieftaincy title. Igwe Uzoigwe continued to install some of his people, Nze, Ichie, Chief, and some women, which he installed as Ndi Utuodo as Igbo custom demanded. Lolo Uzoigwe, Chief Engineer Chinwike Uzo's wife, and so many other illustrious women within the community, Uwani Amokwe was installed as the Utuodo women of Uwani Amokwe. They are there to assist entitled men to bring peace, development within the community and beyond.
Celebration of preeminence in your community. Mike Uzoigwe has distinguished himself internationally and nationally as a man of industry, a man of integrity, a man of character, and his people have graciously recognized this. And his predecessor, of the Igwe family, of academic and administrative faith, left a very big shoe to fill. This community, known for its meticulous nature, choosing their leaders, look for one without blame.